So here we have a really cute nightlight. Comes preparedly packed, protected. Okay, beautiful design. It's a butterfly. Okay, very, very cute. This is perfect for a kid's room, the bathroom that the kids use, or even the hallway where the kids walk through. You get 3 different modes: dusk to dawn, you get soft white, and you get 8 different colors to choose from. So everything changes from this button right here. You just plug it in and all the modes are right here. Again, beautiful design, very good quality, and it works in every room of your kids. Okay, this makes my girls really excited every time I plug it in. They also can pick the colors that they want to see it in, or you could leave it at white for nighttime. And then again, 3 modes, 8 different colors, goes from dusk to dawn, and you can basically choose what colors your kids like in their room.